Matangi Mudra. Matangi, god of inner harmony and royal rulership. Fold your hands in front of your solar plexus stomach area, point both middle fingers and place against each other. Direct your attention to the breath in the solar plexus or stomach area. Do as needed 3 times a day for 4 minutes. This mudra strengthens the breathing impulse in the solar plexus and balances the energies in this area. It stimulates the water element, which represents new beginnings, and the earth element, which gives life its depth. An excited heart becomes noticeably more calm, and inner tensions such as diverse spasms or sensations of fullness that hamper digestion are resolved. Imagine a yellow desert in which you create a beautiful green oasis, a place of harmony and joy. This is your personal retreat, and you form it completely according to your own preferences and needs. Here you find yourself again. You become calm and still, and your soul attains peace. Affirmation: rest, silence, and peace fill me completely.